The caterer wants to have enough turkey to feed 24 people. If he wants to provide 3/4 of a pound of turkey for each person, how much turkey does he need? So we're looking for how much turkey does he need. Each obviously is going to be a clue. That's why I've bolded it for you. Remember, each means multiply or divide. And we know it's not division in this case because they're not talking about splitting anything. They're not talking about cutting anything. They're not talking about sharing anything. So that's why it's not going to be division in this case. So what's going on here is the caterer. So a caterer is a person who makes food for large events. The caterer wants to have enough turkey to feed 24 people. So what's going to happen is all these people are going to show up to this party or whatever is going on, and the caterer wants to give 3/4 to each person. So if we drew a quick picture, we would see that 3/4 is repeating, and you would actually keep doing this 24 times. Now, I'm not going to do it 24 times because that would take a while. But you get the idea. So 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4. Now, so we're adding the same thing over and over and over again 24 times. So there'd be this would happen 24 times. So our problem then is going to be 3/4 times 24. Remember, when we're multiplying with fractions, both numbers need to be fractions. So here, 3/4 is a fraction. 24 is not a fraction, but we can very easily make it a fraction by putting a 1 as the denominator. Then what we're going to do is multiply straight across since it's multiplication, fraction multiplication. So 3 times 24. Now, that's not something I can do in my head, so I'm going to go off to the side and do 3 times 24. Gives me 72. Okay, and then with the denominators, I'm going to do 4 times 1, which is 4. And I'm almost done, but I have an improper fraction here, a big head. So remember, with an improper fraction, with a big head, you get rid of that by finding a secret identity. Remember, it's a secret undercover division problem. So I'm going to do 72 divided by 4. So 72 divided by 4. So 4 goes into 7 once, which is 4, giving me 3 left. I'll bring my 2 down. So now I'm going to count by 4s until I get to 32. Well, if you know your 4s, you know that's going to be 8 times, and that'll give you exactly 32. So nothing left. So this is our answer. No fraction goes with this one. It's just a whole number. So 72/4. So this right here, 72/4, is exactly the same thing as 18. And that's the answer. So this one, all you have to type is 18 as your answer. And to answer the question, the caterer needed 18 pounds of turkey for everyone.